Roof inspection here in Boise. Got a wind damage shingle up here. Could be more, but not going to be walking that side with the granule loss and the pitch. Considerable amount of granule loss on that side we just saw right here as well, and throughout the roof. But you see how dark these shingles are here, just because they're pretty much out of granules. And then this is the fiberglass showing under the granules there, so it's a good sign that it's time for a new roof. Got some exposed nails here that are rusting. You can tell what sides get more weather with the this does not have nearly as much granule loss on the backside as here, and then that one there has a whole bunch, as well as our large steep face here. This one's super gone. Pipe flashings look like they're holding up all right. We'd be swapping all this stuff out. We'd be taking all these vents off, plugging them up, and running a ridge vent over here. We also use metal valleys. The other way that I've done valleys in the past is California Valley. This is not what that is. This is a weave valley. I don't prefer the weaves as much, but nothing super wrong with them. But you can see it's just one shingle going up under. California Valley is very similar, but you'll have a bleeder shingle running down. Just give it a little extra protection. But yeah, this is just the shingle running underneath, and these shingles running over the top of it. But yeah, nothing super standing out in as any sort of real issue. Just old, showing fiberglass, showing granule loss, and about time to get a new one.